Okay, so this is Dakota Peterson for question number 5 on the final exam. So we have to use one of the programs we learned in class to show handles that are currently running on your machine. That program is the handle program. And we got that from the sysinternal suite that we downloaded. Anyway, so it gives us this whole big old long list. On the list we have handle. Okay, so as you can see, I already pulled up the different handle tags. So basically, we're going to want to dump all handle information to show all the handles that are on the machine. Okay, so to do that, we want to just run the handle executable A. That is going to give us the whole list. It's a long list. It's going to just keep going. Anyway, that's what we got. Okay, that's it for question number 5. Thanks.